Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever been curious about what is a rod knock? Well, here we have a relatively clean Buick 3.8, which is honestly one of the best engines ever made. And it's got a new water pump, timing cover just resealed, and some of these things are very suspicious. Now I'm going to start it up for you and see if you can't hear for yourself what a rod knock means. And go, damn, that is a knocking. So basically the bearing tolerance has become so large inside of the engine, and you gotta always be sure that it's not like accessory, because it could be like the AC compressor or something like that. But I already pulled the belt off, and the engine is very hard to rotate. And if you put a stethoscope in there, you can really hear it clanking around. If you were to drop her in gear and rev it up, probably throw right through the side of the block, but still moves itself around at the moment. So yeah, hope this doesn't happen to you. Peace.